Writing is elegant. Writing is intuitive. But sometimes it stands between us and genuine human connection. AI is powerful. Voice recording is reassuring. Yet, they don't know what truly matters to us. There had to be a better way. Introducing Flowtica Scribe, the world's first AI recording pen that helps you scribe and highlight what matters. As you see, it's a pen, so it stays where pens stay. It flows naturally, like always, but this time, something's different. Just press the button, mark the point, allowing AI to know your highlights. This is where the magic begins. Scribe identifies everyone's voice, yours and anyone's, and makes sure every perspective is preserved. With Flowtran, all transfer friction is gone. Your content flows seamlessly behind the scenes. At the same time, your highlights are turning your great ideas into structured and concrete notes. Easier than ever. Look, it's all there. Not a generic summary. It's yours. Just one tap, and it's out the door. Trust is built when people feel seen. One press, and you're in. Eyes up, hassle-free, fully present. Now, meet Flowtica, your all-in-one workspace, built as your second brain, just as it's supposed to be. Your voice becomes actions, shapes your day, capturing every key sentence along the way. And when it's time to recall, just ask.
What was the key insight from last Monday's meeting?
And it finds exactly what you need. Pick up your flow anywhere, anytime. Everything flows as one. This is Flowtica Scribe. Always ready, always reliable, built to last. And it fits your style. From meetings to conversations to every insight. It scribes what matters, and you stay in flow.